In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in WPS Office 2026. Step by step. Justified text gives your document a clean, professional look by aligning the edges of each line evenly on both the left and right sides. It's especially useful for reports, brochures, and any document where a polished column of text matters. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can apply it confidently. First, open WPS Office and launch WPS Writer, the word processing app in the suite. Open the document you want to edit. If you're starting from a blank page, that's fine too. These steps work the same way whether you already have content or you're about to add it. Next, highlight the paragraph or specific block of text you want to justify. Click and drag across the text to select it. Selecting the text first ensures the formatting applies exactly where you want it. You can select a single paragraph, several paragraphs, or an entire section if they should all share the same alignment. Now look for the Tools or Edit icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to reveal the formatting controls. Depending on your layout, device, or theme, you may see these options grouped slightly differently, but the key is to open the area that exposes text formatting. From there, go to the Home or Paragraph section. This is where alignment controls usually live, alongside options like font, size, and line spacing. If you don't immediately see Paragraph, expand the Home tools to reveal more options. Find the alignment control. It's typically represented by icons showing lines aligned to the left, center, right, or justified. Tap Alignment to open the choices. Select Justify. The moment you choose it, your selected paragraph will reflow so that the left and right edges align evenly. Behind the scenes, the spacing between words adjusts slightly to create those straight edges. If a line looks stretched, consider whether there's an extra manual line break or tab. Cleaning those up often improves the result without changing your intended layout. Your paragraph is now justified automatically. If you want to compare with other looks, the same alignment menu includes left align for standard reading flow, center align for titles or short lines, and right align for captions or dates. Use the option that best matches your document's purpose while keeping readability in mind. That's all you need to justify text in WPS Writer. Open your document, select the text, head to Tools or Edit, find Home or Paragraph, choose Alignment, and pick Justify. Simple, quick, and professional.